Okay, so when it comes to reducing fractions into lowest terms, there are a few things you might want to know, and these are just going to be really quick divisibility rules. They're not going to be the proper theorems, but they're just quick little hints to get to remember them. If a number is divisible by 2, it's even. That one everybody knows. If a number is divisible by 3, it means the sum of the numbers are divisible by 3. So an example for that, we'll go through them after. 4 is the last two numbers are divisible by 4. 5 ends in 0 or 5. 6 is it follows the rule for 2 and 3. So div rule for 2 and 3, which means even and sum equals a number divisible by 3. 7 we usually skip. 8 is last 3 numbers divisible by 8. 9 is the same as 3 but divisible by 9. So sum of the numbers are divisible by 9. 10 ends in 0. So those are more or less all of the divisibility rules that you're going to need to know when it comes to just reducing things into lowest terms. So now if we look at the question itself,